All right, so I'm gonna pump this up with my Airmoto right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pump this up right here. So here's the tire. So what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna unscrew the cap. See right here? I'm just gonna unscrew the cap, remove the cap. And then I have this Airmoto pump that I'm gonna be using. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna simply put this into place. Try to keep the wheel steady. So I'm just screw this on. Make sure that the air pump is fully connected. So once it's connected, I'm just gonna go and turn this on. Once it's turned on, I'm gonna get it to the right PSI. Then adjust the PSI is 60 PSI. So once it gets to 60 PSI, I'm just gonna go ahead and fooling around with it too much. Press the center button, and it's going to be pumping up to 60 PSI on my bike tire. It's a flat, and you see it's going up right here. The Airmoto is slowly getting to it. Like 40, 15, and it's just going to keep on going up. It's just going to keep on going up. It's going slower, and you can see that the battery is being exhausted a little bit. Not by much, but just a little bit. Going up, 56. As soon as it gets to 60, it's going to stop. This thing is quite handy to have right here. It's made it to 60, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the center button, and it's stopped. It's slightly above 60. It's at 61, but I'm going to go ahead and take this off, unscrew the cap with the Airmoto, and it's at 60 PSI. The tire is filled with air, and it's all good. And then after I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the cap, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put the cap back into place, just like that. See that? All right, that's how you pump up a tire on a bike with the Airmoto. Works pretty well. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.